Golden is not just a companion, but also like a devoted mother. It's not only nature that can create snow, this boy can do it too. In terms of noise, Husky is no different from other Huskies, and the only difference is that it uses a new language.
Ah, che sono cattivi!
Every run requires time to recover, and he always needs that. His goal was clear, but his clumsiness always came up at the right moment.
I was drinking that.
The toy bag is this boy's treasure, and no one is allowed to take it away from him.
Oh my god. Girl, I'm not taking him away.
When there are too many thieves around, his mouth becomes the safest place. He's always been curious about many things, and this is one of the things he's most curious about.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius. Nope.
What's going on, human? Where are you taking me? It seems this is the first time, and possibly the last time, he experiences the service. Everyone has a phobia of doctors, and he was no exception. Every child finds joy in bringing a friend home, even if that friend is a coyote.
Hey.
A place that might help him sleep well, but it no longer seems big enough for his size.
Did you poop on my floor? Why you hiding under your brother? Did you do this? Huh?
Running away is a way to avoid punishment, but it seems this boy chose the wrong place to hide.
Was this you?
야, 도돌이 이게 뭐야?
The eyes are the windows to the soul, and this gaze is a confession. Rain may slow down everything, but not him. Although he's a fan of Thor, it seems like this guy still isn't ready to meet the god of thunder.
Come here, honey. Come here.
Why'd you do that?
want.
It seems like the world he lives in spins 5 times faster than his father's world.
A walk.
Come, Carmelo. Ah, já sei, que é oração. Vai pra lá, Bi. Senhor, obrigado pelo alimento do caramelo, Pai. Peço com que o Senhor dê saúde a ele, repreenda todo o mal no estômago dele, Papai, que abra o apetite dele. E nós te pedimos em nome de Jesus. Come, caramelo.
If you keep a Great Dane in your house, your windows will always be sparkling clean. Behind the intelligent appearance of the border collie lies the climbing instinct of a mountain goat.
¿Qué te pones ahí porque no te querés mojar las patitas? Ya dejó de eso,
There is one thing you might not know about German Shepherds. A bag can also cause them fear. He is a warrior, and he is the bravest warrior I have ever known.
Bruh, oh my God, you ain't shit, bruh. It's a real live. You going? Oh, they going on his back now. So goddamn, he going.
No, come on.
My dog stands in the pool.
His journey of integration into the human world seems to have taken a new step forward. As a businessman, he only agrees to work when you provide him with financial support. When his communication system malfunctions, his stealth mode will be activated.
Get out of here!
Once you're close friends living together, all their gestures will become synchronized.
What's this? Okay, I like it. Picasso. Yeah, that way.
If either of the two doesn't stop, it's hard to tell who will be the winner.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at me?
For him, staying in the hospital for even a second longer was unacceptable. In every struggle for wealth, the ultimate winner is always the strongest.
Sit.